So we removed the boards, cleaned up, pulled weeds, raked the stone back to where it was, nice and level, well slanted up like this. We had a rotten one, we had to pull an extra one there, so I'm pretty sure I got a little tongue and groove around here someplace, so or down to Zehr's day, so I'll find a piece for there. Then pulled out the 6-inch hemlock, held it up, and really it's 7 inches to the concrete, so we still got that gap there. So I've been walking around thinking about it, thinking about tar, thinking about going right to the edge, getting 8-inch hemlock. I have some, I could cut them to 7, put it in there, there's no gap. Then all of a sudden I realize I should be thinking better. Concrete. So I've decided I'm going to put the 6-inch hemlock on, and then I'm going to go along the edge, take as much, and I might do this before I put the hemlock on, try to tap as much of the tar off as I can, and then I'm going to fill the gap and slant it down with concrete. And then I'm going to go along the whole edge and prime the bottom edge of the hemlock at least, maybe the whole hemlock board, and little bit of the concrete edge, so that edge is all nice and clean, and then we're going to take the aluminum and we're going to go over our 2-foot splash guard right down to the concrete edge. So that's the plan, and I feel comfortable with that idea. I did not feel comfortable with any of the other thoughts I had. I thought about a 45 with aluminum down there and a bunch of other ideas, but I'm going to do the concrete. Get some good concrete. I'll mix it up and go along that edge, get the edge as clean as I can and slope it right in there. I think it'll look really good, and there should be no water getting in there. So there's where we're at.